Hi everybody, good morning to you. Previous video I have uploaded about verb expressing present tense. Now I am going to introduce verb expressing present continuous tense. But before that I would like to remind you the previous lesson. That is a verb expressing present tense. Present. The rule is that subject plus V1 S or ES plus object. So about this we had studied last video. Verb expressing present tense. What is that subject? Suppose I do my homework. Okay, this one is called simple present tense. So we have completed here simple present tense. So today I am going to introduce present continuous tense. Verb expressing present continuous tense. Let us see. Present continuous tense. What is the rule? Present continuous tense. Do you know? The rule is that subject plus am, is, and plus V1 plus ing is equal to V4 plus object. These are the rules. You see properly. The rule is that subject am, is, are plus V1 plus ing form is equal to, we call it V4 plus object. So here three categories we are going to use. One is am, another one is, another one is are. So subject am is used especially with I. I am V plus ing we will use here. I am working here. Okay, I am working here. So here subject came here, I, am is here, and ing form, work, V1 work, and ing form, working here. So this is uses of am, and uses of is will use he, she, or it, or Rama. So in this case is will be used. He is working. He is working here. Okay. He is working here. She is working here. It is working here. Rama is working here. So in this case, is will be followed by, this is called she, he, it, Rama. These are called third person singular. These are called third person singular. So here is used with the third person singular subject. Okay. He is working here. She is working here. It is working here. Rama is working here. Now we have completed am and is. Now let us see uses of am. Now we will see about are. Uses of are. Are will be used always the plural nouns or pronouns, with plural nouns or pronouns, or with plural subjects. Let us see. We, they, Rama and Sita, these, those. Okay, these are demonstrative adjectives. This one also stands for the subject. So in this case we will use here are. Okay, are working here. I am making simple sentence so that you will understand here. In your book there is. So different way I am teaching so that you will get the knowledge more about this. So we are working here. They are working here. Okay. Rama and Sita are working here. These are working here. Those are working here. So these are the uses of am, is, are. So this whatever sentences we made, am, uses of am, uses of first person singular he, she, it, and we, they, Rama and Syama, or Rama and Sita, or these, those. So these subjects are used, and these sentences are called positive sentence. These are called positive sentence. Okay. What is sentence? Positive sentence. Now we are going to make this one formula will change into negative sentence and interrogative sentence. So let us do how it is going to be negative sentence and interrogative sentence. See carefully. So negative sentence formula will be like that. You see, subject plus am, is, are, plus here comes not, plus V1 plus ing is equal to, I have told you that V4 plus object. Okay, this is the rule. Now subject plus am, is, are plus not, then V4 object we are going to make. These are called negative sentence. So this formula is based on negative sentence. Negative sentence. Okay. What sentence? This is negative sentence. So now we are going to make negative sentence uses of am. Okay. Now I am not working. I am not working here. I am not. Okay. I subject am. Okay. Here am came. Then not also came here. I am not working. So V1. Okay. This is V4 came. Okay. This is understood as a V4. Okay. I am not working here. Like that is. Okay. Rama is not working here. Is that clear? Rama is not working here. Now this is also over. Then let us see are. Okay, we are not working here. Is that clear? So now these three categories of this formula here, uses of am, is, are plus not and plus V4 that we are using in negative sentence. Negative sentence means that formula plus not. Not is here added. Now same thing we are going to make an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, how it follows, let us see. Now you see the formula and try to make of your own sentences. Okay. Now I am going to make now interrogative sentence. How interrogative sentence is to be made. Okay. So interrogative sentence. interrogative sentence formula I am going to write here. You follow this. The formula you follow this, then try to apply your sentence. So it will be okay for you. Now let us see interrogative sentence that begins with am, is, are, okay, plus subject plus before plus object. So this is the rule. Okay, this is a positive sentence. So these are called rules for interrogative sentence. Sorry, not positive sentence, interrogative sentence. How we are going to make this one? So am I working here? Question mark. When we are going to make interrogative sentence, we have to apply question mark end of the sentence. So am I working here? Now uses of am is over. Now uses of is will do it. Now how it is? Okay. Is he working here? Okay. Now uses of this will act. So here am is, then subject this one. Okay. Then before is this one, object is there. So now the next one is what? Uses of are. Are they working here? Are they working here? So these are the interrogative sentence. Then interrogative sentence also I have taught you that we can make it double interrogative sentence. How it is? Okay. That is we can make here another one. Why are they working? Why are they working here? So I am using they. I used they. You can use why am I working? Why is he working? So like that you can use. So these are the formula of this verb expressing present continuous tense. The formula plus the sentences that is made to you. I have guided you. So you follow it. You see the book and proceed it. Okay. Best of luck. See now.